Jetour X90 Plus 2025. A comprehensive overview. Introduction. The Jetour X90 Plus 2025 is a flagship offering from Jetour, a Chinese automaker under the Chery automobile umbrella, designed to compete in the competitive mid-size SUV market. Launched initially in 2019 and significantly enhanced for the 2025 model year, the X90 Plus combines modern design, advanced technology, and family-oriented functionality. Priced competitively, with starting prices around 119,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams in the UAE, this 7-seater SUV targets buyers seeking a balance of luxury, performance, and affordability. This document provides an in-depth look at the vehicle's specifications, features, design, performance, safety, and market positioning, drawing from credible sources to ensure accuracy. Historical context. Jetour, established in 2018 by Chery, focuses on producing high-quality SUVs tailored for modern consumers, particularly families and adventure enthusiasts. The original Jetour X90, launched in January 2019, set the foundation for spacious, versatile vehicles. The X90 Plus, introduced as a premium facelift during the 2021 Shanghai Auto Show, represents an evolution with enhanced technology, refined design, and improved performance. The 2025 model builds on this legacy, incorporating the latest automotive trends to compete with established brands like Toyota, Nissan, and Chang'an in markets like the UAE, Saudi Arabia, and beyond. Exterior design. The Jetour X90 Plus 2025 boasts a bold and modern exterior, characterized by its vertical and horizontal design philosophy, which emphasizes strength and dynamism. Key exterior features include dimensions. The SUV measures 4,858 mm in length, 1,925 mm in width, and 1,780 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,850 mm and a ground clearance of 210 mm, ensuring a commanding road presence and versatility for various terrains. Interior design and comfort. The interior of the Jetour X90 Plus 2025 is designed to offer luxury, comfort, and practicality, catering to families and long-distance travelers. Key interior features include seating capacity. A 7-seater configuration, with an optional 5-seater variant in some markets, provides ample space for passengers. The second-row seats feature adjustable backrests, and the third-row seats are foldable and removable, allowing for flexible storage. Cargo space. With the third-row seats folded, the X90 Plus offers up to 1,052 liters of cargo space, ideal for family trips or large loads. Materials. Premium leather seats enhance the cabin's upscale feel, complemented by soft-touch materials and a refined layout. Dashboard and displays. A 12.3-inch dual-screen setup includes an all-digital instrument cluster and a touchscreen multimedia interface, supporting Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for seamless smartphone integration. A 9.7-inch air conditioning screen adds a modern touch. Comfort features. Keyless entry, push start button, wireless mobile charging, and Wi-Fi integration enhance convenience. The cabin also includes a 4.3-inch driving computer screen and a projection screen for added functionality. Audio system. A premium Sony stereo system with 8 speakers, in the luxury trim, delivers high-quality sound, complemented by digital audio broadcasting. The spacious and opulent interior, combined with advanced connectivity, makes the X90 Plus a compelling choice for tech-savvy families. Engine and performance. The Jetour X90 Plus 2025 offers 2 turbocharged petrol engine options, both paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission (DCT) and front-wheel drive (FWD). 1.6L turbocharged engine. Displacement 1.6 liters, 1,598 cc. Power 197 horsepower. Torque 290 Newton meters. Fuel efficiency approximately 12 km per liter claimed. Top speed 200 km per hour. Acceleration 0–100 km per hour. Not specified, but performance is suited for city and highway driving. 2.0L turbocharged engine. Displacement 2.0 liters, 1,998 cc. Power 254 horsepower. Torque 390 Newton meters. Fuel efficiency approximately 8.1 km per liter. Top speed 185 km per hour. Acceleration 0–100 km per hour. Not specified, but offers robust performance for a mid-size SUV. The 2.0L engine, available in the luxury trim, provides a more powerful and responsive drive, while the 1.6L engine balances performance and fuel economy, making it ideal for budget-conscious buyers. The multi-link independent suspension ensures a smooth and stable ride, while the 7-speed DCT enhances efficiency and responsiveness. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a priority for the Jetour X90 Plus 2025, with a high-strength cage body and a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, ADS. Key safety features include airbags. 6 airbags, including driver, passenger, front side, and front rear head air curtains in higher trims. Braking systems. Anti-lock braking system, ABS. Electronic brake force distribution, EBD. And brake assist. Stability and traction. Vehicle stability control system, traction control, and hill hold assist. Camera systems. A 360-degree panoramic parking assist system with digital HD and a rear-view camera for precise navigation. Advanced safety features. Blind spot detection. Front and rear radar. Moving object detection system. Lane change assist. Tire pressure monitor. ISOFIX, child seat anchors. Cruise control. Standard cruise control, with some markets offering adaptive cruise control for enhanced convenience. These features ensure the X90 Plus provides a safe and confident driving experience, particularly for families. Technology and connectivity. The Jetour X90 Plus 2025 is equipped with cutting-edge technology to enhance the driving experience. Infotainment system. A 15.6-inch central control display in some markets, or a 12.3-inch touchscreen, supports navigation, car networking, and 5G connectivity. Smartphone integration. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility for seamless device connectivity. Instrument cluster. A 12.3-inch LCD instrument panel provides clear, customizable information. Additional features. Wireless charging, keyless entry, and a push-start button add convenience, while an acoustic hood improves cabin quietness. These technologies position the X90 Plus as a modern, connected SUV, appealing to tech-savvy buyers. Pricing and variants. In the UAE, the Jetour X90 Plus 2025 is available in multiple trims, with the following pricing details. 1.6T Luxury, starting at 119,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams, approximately 32,400 United States dollars. 2.0L Turbo Luxury, starting at 119,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams, though some sources report an average market price of 99,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams.